than a speeding bullet, more powerful than a locomotive.
Good morning, fishermen. Today's Thursday, February 20th, 2014. We're over here at Santa Ana River Lakes, actually right back in the small lake at Chris's Pond, and the Mount Lassen truck just showed up, guys, and we have a special treat for you. We got lightning trout. That's right, lightning trout. Those rare, exotic, golden beauties. Pink meat, almost like salmon. We got lightning trout and super trout. Remember, we got that tournament here at Santa Ana River Lakes, the Lip Ripper Sports Chalet Tournament on Saturday, February 22nd. Check our website, fishinglakes.com, for more details. You can even buy your tournament entry fee online.
Morning, anglers. Over here at Chris's Pond, Santa Ana River Lakes. Got them beautiful yellow lightnings for you this week. Here they go.
Oh! Oh! Monster! Another monster.
We got a super in here. Got a couple of them. Wow, look at that. Whoa!
Oh, that's a big boy. Another big boy, another big boy. Another big boy, another big boy. Lightnington Supers. Yeah! Ah!
Look at those, Zach. Here they come, Toby. Like 5 in a row.
Big fish, big fish. Whoa! Whoa! Big fish legs! Alright guys, we're over here at the big lake now. We are actually down by the boat dock. We're gonna stock more lightning and more supers.
Here we are at the big lakes now. Look at all those lightnings. Beautiful. Got some supers in here too.
It's a big one. It's like a bullet! Another nice size one. Oh! An angry super trout. Oh, they're in a hurry. Another big fish. More big fish. Super!
Wow, look at those supers.
Oh man, look at those toes. Lloyd! Super trout! Woo! Lightnington supers, oh my! Man, it's a lot of big fish. Big fish, big fish. Wow! Dang it! Another big fish. Another big fish. More big fish. Fatty. Look at how many big fish. That's a big lightning. Beautiful. Big Fish Lake, guys. Big Fish Lake. Alright guys, we're over at Corona Lake now. We got more lightnings, more supers going in. We're actually right over here by the dam. Mount Lassen bringing us the big fish, because we are the Big Fish Lakes. The largest trout in California are caught in these lakes, guys.
Here we are hooked up with the first tank at Corona Lake. Look at all these lightnings.
Nice one. That's a lot of lightning. Oh, that's a big lightning right there. That's a nice size fish. Whoa!
Wow, look at that.
That's a fatty lightning right there. Trophy lightning. That is fatty lightning. Whoa, whoa. Alright guys, we just hooked up tank 2 here at Corona Lake.
Alright guys, here we are with tank 2, Corona Lakes. See some supers.
Whoa! Super trout! Super trout! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Big fish! Whoa, buddy! That was amazing! Hey, Mike! Mike! Look at it, one! Look at it, one! Look at it! Look at it!
Got some supers!
Oh, that's a big old light. Oh! Whoa! Another big one. Big fish leg! Oh!
Whoa!
Another big fish. Whoa! Oh! That was a beautiful big fish. Big lightning trout. Trophy lightning. Woo! Afternoon fishermen, today is Wednesday, February 19th, 2014. We're over here at Santa Ana River Lakes with the Imperial Catfish truck. Those blue catfish that we're stocking for the winter blues, guys. Remember, we're the only lake that has the ability to stock blue catfish. And we got lots of them, guys. We're stocking catfish every Wednesday now. Hook up the catfishermen. And then Thursday, every Thursday, we're stocking trout, big trout.
Look at those. Wow, look at all those. Nice blue cats.
Nice fish. Alright guys, we're over at the catfish lake now. We got more blue catfish.
How Paulo? Oh, there they go. Wow, all rushing out at once.
Nice catfish. Yep, those are nice big blue catfish. Baby. Coming up to say hi, look at them. Oh, we're not done yet. There they go, guys. They're already taking off, man. Came up and said hi and they're out of here. Alright guys, we're over at Corona Lake now. Still Wednesday, February 19th. We're actually over here by the dam. And we're going to be stocking catfish here at Corona Lake every Wednesday, trout every Thursday. You already saw the trout, now it's catfish time.
Here we go. This is the first tank at Corona Lake, and these are blues, man. Oh man, look at the size of that one. All right. Whoa, that's a blue catfish. They're raring to go. Look at them. Whoa,
whoa, there they go. You may get wet on this ride. Whoa. Yeah, there they go. Those are nice blue catfish. Oh, they're just pouring out of there.
Holy heck. Hundreds and hundreds of blues. Look at them. Oh my heck.
Still going. A lot of fish.
Look at all of them.
Big one.
They're still going. We got one more tank. And we got lots.
Coming up to say hi.
They're still going. Still. All right.
Alright guys, we had to flip the truck around to hook up this second take here at Corona Lake over by the dam. More blue catfish, guys.
Okay, this is the second tank of the Fighting Blues, and these guys are ready to go. As soon as you tell them that, you... Whoa! See what I told you, man? They can't wait to get out there. These guys are fighters. Come on.
There they go.
Oh. Just fish after fish after fish.